Okay, I think we're up to day 4 of what I bought on the 127, the Highway 127 garage sale that I don't remember. There's something about putting it in the bag after you've gone shopping, and it's like every day is Christmas when you get home and open it up. So, let's look and see what is in this one. Oh yeah. You know, some of it I recognize when I see it. These gingham check shoes. Okay, she's a lot. She's a lot. She's got ruffles and flowers. And she's cottage core. She's all the things. And then some things you look at and you don't remember seeing ever before in your lifetime. But, oh well. There's some Polo Ralph Lauren men's pants. Another pair of Polo Ralph Lauren men's pants. Oh yeah. This one I remember. This was at a sale out in the middle of a field in the middle of nowhere. It's a Lanting, which is a bridal wear dress. The gentleman that sold it to me said his wife had bought it for their son's wedding, and then they changed the colors or something, and she ended up not wearing it. More shoes. Is there another one of these? White lug sole boots. Thought these were kind of cool. These are Steve Madden. All right. Let's see. Eddie Bauer flannel. It's 110 degrees here today, so I can't even imagine putting on flannel, but people are already shopping for fall, so there's an LL Bean checked long sleeve shirt. What is this? It's embroidered. Little floor, let's see, it's wrong side out, but floor embroidered. It's not wrong side out, the tags just flipped there. Anyway, cute, cute, cute. Again, another big heavy sweater that on days like this it's hard to imagine. This one is vintage hand knit cardigan. Little J. Crew skirt. I probably thought that had lemons on it when I first picked it up, but I'm a sucker for anything with lemons on it. Here's a tweed blazer. It's velvet. What am I looking at? What am I looking at? Let's see. It's got a burnout velvet top, maxi dress. This is a dress. It's a very nautical, preppy, Ivy League. That's slickery. What is it? Oh, it's a vintage nightgown with the little roses at the top. So very cottagecore, shabby chic. Oh, this goes with this. This is the skirt. Okay. It's another skirt. This one is the pencil skirt by J. Crew. This is a Banana Republic full zip sweatshirt. This is embroidered little brown jumper dress. This is velvet. Let's see if we can figure out how this goes. She's new with tags. Let's see. Like I can't decide if that's an armhole or a neck hole, so let's keep looking. Okay, it's off the shoulder. That's what's throwing me. With the fringe. Alright. Some Smart Wool socks. Another skirt, a tweed skirt. It's another skirt. This one is Banana Republic. What's this? Oh, this is a slip skirt. Little bow on it makes it dark coquette. This is another corduroy patchwork skirt. I'm trying to decide if the heat in my car caused this damage or if it was supposed to be like that, so we'll have to look at that some more. Don't think it's supposed to be like that. That makes me sad. So there's a lesson. Get it out of your car as soon as you get home, Shannon. This. Oh, it's a skirt. Open knit, very beachy. Festival. This is an Alex Marie skirt. Land's End sweater, the red and white stripe. Okay, it's got a stain, but I think I can get that one out with some Folex without any problems. Corduroy skirt. This was the bag of skirts, wasn't it? This is also Eddie Bauer sleeveless cardigan. And two more things. This is a vintage Jansen's men's sweater vest. And last but not least in here is a Banana Republic striped sweater. Okay, that feels kind of woolly. Let's see. Nope, cotton and nylon. All right. So that was it for bag 4 of what I bought on the 127 and can't remember. And I think we have 5 more bags to go. So we'll keep doing this every day until I finally get it all unpacked. See you next time.